volumetric analysis. This is a topic that you're likely going to see whether you're writing JAMB or you're writing post-JAMB, and it's important that you get conversant with the questions that will be coming out from this topic. Now, when we talk about volumetric analysis, what are we talking about? What is volumetric analysis? We can define volumetric analysis as measuring the volume of solutions of a reactant or measuring the reactants in a solution. This is what volumetric analysis is about. It's a kind of quantitative determination in chemistry. So in chemistry, we have qualitative determination and then we have quantitative determination. When we talk about quantitative, we're talking about measuring the quantity. And when we talk about qualitative, we are talking about measuring things like maybe color and stuff like that. So what is volumetric analysis? Like I said, it's measuring the volume of solutions of a reactant. And then in this, we have a very important term that we are likely going to be using on and off to be able to define more things as we go further. Now, that is standard solution. So what's the standard solution? This is very simple. It's just simply a solution of a known concentration. So we have a solution of a known concentration. That's what we call our standard solution. All right, so for this standard solution, which is what we use mostly for our volumetric analysis, there is a way we prepare it. So how do we prepare the standard solution? Right? These are the questions you're likely going to see in your exam. How do we prepare standard solution, and what are the properties of a standard solution? So number one, a standard solution must be anhydrous. Now, what does it mean for something to be anhydrous? It means that a standard solution is not expected to have water of crystallization. So a standard solution must be anhydrous. It must be non-deliquescent. So what does it mean for a substance to be non-deliquescent? It means that this or our standard solution should not be able to absorb water. Our standard solution should be non-deliquescent. It should not be able to absorb water. A standard solution must be non-hygroscopic. What does it mean for a substance to be hygroscopic? It means that it can be able to absorb moisture from the atmosphere. So if I'm going to be using a standard solution for volumetric analysis, that solution should not be able to absorb water or moisture from the atmosphere. That is, it should not be deliquescent and it should not be hygroscopic.